A continuously variable transmission is an automatic transmission that varies ratio depending on vehicle speed, engine RPM, and load. Engines have an RPM range where they deliver the best power at the best efficiency. The goal of the CVT system is to allow the engine to operate at optimal power for varying vehicle driving conditions. A CVT system consists of three principal components: a primary clutch, a secondary clutch, and a belt. The primary clutch has two sheave faces: the stationary sheave, which is attached to the engine crankshaft, and the movable sheave, which moves in and out to engage the belt. An arrangement of flyweights pivots outward in response to centrifugal force. These weights press on the movable sheave and force it towards the stationary sheave. The sheaves pinch the belt, engaging the CVT, and transmit power to the secondary clutch. The secondary clutch is mounted to the input shaft of the transmission or transaxle. Like the primary clutch, it has a stationary and a movable sheave. Belt pinch force in the secondary clutch is generated by a compression spring and a torque sensing element called a cam or helix. The compression spring holds the secondary clutch closed at low ratio. The helix has 2 or 3 helical surfaces that are in contact with rollers or sliding buttons attached to the clutch shaft. As the throttle is depressed, the primary clutch closes and tightens the belt. This forces the secondary clutch sheaves to spread and shifts the CVT to a lower ratio. The vehicle accelerates. When the throttle is reduced, the belt pinch at the primary is reduced, and the secondary clutch compression spring forces the secondary sheaves closer together. The vehicle decelerates. When the vehicle is started or accelerated under load, the helix senses the increased torque and prevents the secondary clutch and the CVT from shifting to a higher ratio. Backshifting occurs when the helix senses increasing load. This produces more torque to the ground. Upshifting occurs when the load is lightened. These shifts occur automatically and instantly in response to vehicle load and available engine power. CVTs can be tuned to differing applications by the right choice of flyweight mass, spring strength, and helix angle. When properly designed and tuned, all of the components of a CVT system work together to transmit engine power to the ground at the optimal ratio. Team Industries is a market leader in drivetrain technology and is the largest US-based manufacturer of CVTs. Team's patented CVTs are the most advanced in the market. Team manufactures its clutch components at its 6 manufacturing facilities. This guarantees that our CVTs will be consistently manufactured to close tolerances and high engineering standards. As you can see, a CVT consists of 3 elements: a primary clutch that attaches to the engine, a secondary clutch that attaches to the transmission, and a belt that joins the two. The benefits of a CVT system are: CVTs are lightweight and relatively compact. CVTs are cost-effective compared to other automatic transmissions. Maintenance, repair, or replacement are relatively easy. Rubber-belted CVTs provide an automatic shift-on-the-fly solution for vehicles. As the leading manufacturer of CVT systems in North America, Team is committed to developing new and innovative CVT technologies for OEMs and aftermarket. Our clutches are the choices of many major OEMs for their vehicles. Our goal is to provide solutions that add long-term value to your products and increase your customers' satisfaction.